Hi, I'm college coach Billy Martin, here to talk to you today and hopefully coach you on a wonderful device that my team has been using for over 5 years. One of the most convenient things I've ever seen. It's easily placed wherever you want it, just as long as you can just simply plug it in, and it's getting both hot and cold water for your team. Believe it or not, gets water from the air. You're not bringing those bottles to be delivered in, don't have to be there to accept them. It's an incredible device to keep your players hydrated, as all of us coaches know is so very, very critical. We have them in our locker room, in our team room, and it's been fantastic. It helps us with not having to use so many cups. You can use the squeeze bottles to refill, or those metal containers that everybody's using nowadays. Another few advantages of using the Skywell dispenser is it does quite a few different things for you. It can tell you exactly how many ounces you've dispensed each time. You can actually do a personal profile and see how much water you've been drinking over the last day, week, months. Fantastic for coaches to track that hydration. And last but not least, it also tells you how many containers you save by reusing these squeeze bottles and other metal containers to save the water.